Hello everyone, meet me again. I am Miss Fanny, and today is our fifth sessions in cross-culture understanding. Well, everyone, last meeting and last session we talked a lot related to culture adjustment, culture conflicts. Now we're going to talk about gender issues. Well, this is a very familiar topics, right? And I believe that all of you know about this. And there are three topics related to gender. First is gender in educations, the second is gender in workplace, and the third is gender in society. So everyone, please be active in doing discussions in our discussion forum and enjoy your learning. Good luck.